time it felt big is when I was kicking out and the white water hit me and it felt like a ton of bricks. And it was just a teeny little white water.